Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
And everybody is having the book snapshots. Today I'll
Yes,
tell you
ma'am.
the summary. You can open it tomorrow. Okay. दिव्यांश महेश्वरी यार नजर आ रहे हो आप? 2 दिन से मल्टीपल थे, जब तो थे नहीं आप हैं। परसों मल्टीपल हो रहा था तो गायब हो गए बीच में से, जैसे मैम कोई क्वेश्चन ना पूछ ले, रजिस्टर ना देख लें। नाउ ही विल नॉट स्पीक, अब नहीं बोलेगा ये।
मैम काम पूरा था, 2 चैप्टर नहीं है बस।
2 चैप्टर तो आपने तो फटाफट क्विट कर दिया। चलिए, Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Okay, now this is a story and it's a very good story written by William Sadowan, and from tomorrow onwards you open the book. Today you listen to the summary. Now 2 cousins are there, Aram and Murad, and they belong to the Armenian tribe. Okay, and this tribe, you know, it is very famous for honesty. Now they are very poor, the tribe is very poor, and they can hardly earn money for food. But both of these cousins, you know, they long to ride a horse, and Murad, he had stolen a horse from a farmer a month ago. So one early morning, it so happens that he brought this to the window of Aram. Aram was his cousin, and he was 9 years old, and I think Murad was around 13 or so, and asked him to come along for a ride. Okay. Now he comes, and he was very much, you know, surprised that from where did he get this horse, this and that. But anyhow, they rode the horse for many days, and when Aram, you know, he comes to know that the horse has been stolen by Murad, he was very much shocked. Why? Because even he knew very well कि उनकी जो tribe है, it is very, very famous for the honesty and the truth. Okay, they may die hungry, but they never ever try to steal. When he comes to know that Murad had already stolen the horse, okay, maybe a month back, maybe more than that, then he was very much shocked. But anyhow, he convinces himself that whatever Murad has done, it is not stealing. Okay, वो convince करता है और कहता है कि मुराद ने ये जो act करा है, it is not stealing. अब बच्चा है, बच्चे का दिमाग भी ऐसे ही होता है, he is very innocent. Okay, तो वो ये मानता है कि it will become stealing unless they did not sell the horse and get the money in return. समझ में आया? वो कहते हैं वो ये समझता है एरम, छोटा बच्चा 9 इयर्स का है, कहता है मेरे कजिन मुराद ने स्टील करा। फिर नहीं, वो अपने आप को कन्विंस करता है कि इट इज नॉट स्टीलिंग। ओके, स्टीलिंग तो कब होगा? जब वो हॉर्स को बेच देंगे और मनी इन रिटर्न उनको मिल जाएगा। तो दे थिंक दैट इट इज नॉट स्टीलिंग। One day what happens ki John Byro, he is the owner of this horse. Okay, so he comes to Aram's house, and there he starts complaining about his missing horse. Okay, and to Aram's mother, and there अब इनके घर में एक और बैठे हुए थे इनके अंकल, जिनका नाम था अंकल खुसरो। Okay, so Uncle Khusro, he was sitting there, right? Now, Uncle Khusro, he was considered very crazy. Okay, he was the craziest in the Armenian tribe. He was considered as one of the craziest person in Armenian tribe. So he was sitting there, and whenever this man, John Byro, he tries to complain, he tries to tell about his horse and all, this man, he gets too much irritated. He gets irritated a lot, okay, and tries to keep him quiet और उनको चुप करने की कोशिश करते और वो चुप कैसे करते उनका एक ही डायलॉग था कि पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, इट इज नो हार्म. ओके, कुछ भी बोलते, whatever anybody talked, Uncle Khusro, he used to interrupt in between and he used to stop the other person by saying, pay no attention to it, it is no harm. और उस समय पता है एरम को मालूम पड़ता है बेटा कि for a month, he had been missing his horse. When John Byro, he tells his mother and Uncle Khusro, कहता है he had been missing his horse nearly for a month. तब उसको पता पड़ता है कि he had brought the horse to me right now only, but Murad had been riding the horse nearly for a month. तब उसको पता पड़ता है. Okay, and then John Byro जो है काफी complain करते हैं, कहते हैं my leg, it aches and I have to walk 10 miles every day, right? So Uncle Khusro, he starts roaring at him and tries to stop him by saying it's no harm, pay no attention to it. Okay, and he becomes so much anger that Byro, John Byro, the original owner of the horse, he becomes very irritated, he becomes very this thing, and he just leaves the house and goes away. Now Aram, he went to Murad and told him about the missing horse of Byro and asked him not to return the horse until he learns to ride it. Okay, तो मुराद इसमें ह्यूमर भी है बेटा, है ना. तो मुराद उसको कहता है कि it is going to take you a year to learn the horse riding. Okay, तो और फिर आगे कहता है our tribe, it is famous for honesty and truth. If we are going to keep this horse with us, it is going to bring a bad name to our tribe. तो हम ऐसा करेंगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा we are going to return the horse after 6 months. Now one day when they were riding the horse, and after riding they used to hide it at a specific spot. ठीक है, किसी का बर्न यार्ड था, वहां पर वो लोग क्या करते थे राइडिंग करने के बाद, बिफोर दे यूज्ड टू राइड अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग बेटा. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द डस्क टाइम व्हेन इट वाज quite dark and the sun, it was not out. Okay, there was no bright sunlight. So as soon as the sun rose, they used to hide the horse. Before the sunrise, they used to hide the horse. So one day when they were back to the place where they used to hide the horse, they meet John Byro on the way. किससे मिलते हैं? John Byro, जो ओरिजिनल ओनर होता है ना, उससे मिलते हैं. अब वो अपने हॉर्स को पहचान तो जाता है और he talked to these children and then he carefully examines the horse. और ये भी कहता है कि this horse, it looks exactly like my horse. ठीक है, और फिर ये भी बोलता है कि I cannot blame you people because I know your parents and I know your tribe, it is very famous for the honesty. Okay, and फाइनली वो इस कंक्लूजन पर आता है कि वजीर नाम होता है, तो मुराद कहता है इसका नाम है माई हार्ट इज द नेम इसका. और फाइनली बेचारा जॉन बायरो जो होता है, ही वाज नॉट एबल टू क्लेम द हॉर्स. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि उसको लगता है ये ट्राइब तो बड़ी फेमस है ऑनेस्टी वगैरह के लिए, तो हाउ कुड ही क्लेम द हॉर्स इफ दे आर सेइंग इट इज देयर. देन नहीं चाहते हुए भी ही एक्सेप्ट्स इट एंड कहता है ओके, हो सकता है उसका ट्विन हो ये. ओके, इट वाज अ ट्विन हॉर्स, उसका जुड़वा हो. और मुराद जैसे तैसे उसको ये अज्यूम करवा देता है कि it was not his horse and they both go away. Okay? अब क्या होता है, now they were caught, right? So next morning क्या होता है, both of them they take the horse back to John Byro's vineyard. Vineyard होता है जहाँ बेलें बहुत होती है ना, there, and they put it in the burn. Okay, जो vineyard होते हैं वहाँ गोडाउन वगैरह टाइप बने होते हैं, वहां पर जाकर वो लोग उसको चुपचाप बांध देते हैं. Why? Because they knew very well कि he had recognized that it was his horse. और हो सकता है अभी तो कुछ नहीं बोला, maybe afterwards he might complain. Okay, so they both will be in trouble. Maybe they would be beaten up by the family, and moreover, it would be a stigma or a blame, a bad spot, a black spot, okay, on the honesty of their family. तो वो उसको बांध देते हैं वहां पर चुपचाप जाकर, and they return back. Dogs भी उनको follow करते हैं, but even the dogs, you know, they did not bark. Up same afternoon, John Byro, okay, he came back in his to his house, okay, to tell his mother कि देखो my lost horse, you know, it had come back. And he was very much happy and he was very much astonished also कि ये जानकर कि my horse, you know, it is better tempered now. पहले बड़ा bad tempered था, okay, लेकिन अब तो better tempered है, यानी बहुत अच्छे से उसको training दी गई है, ठीक है, और पहले से भी ज्यादा it has become stronger. Now Uncle Khusro, he was sitting there and he shouts that man quiet, you know, your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it. Now see beta, what happens in the chapter, actually the chapter is about two little boys और इसमें जो craziest members होते हैं ना family के, उनके बारे में भी mention करा गया. Likewise Uncle Khusro, he was considered as one of the craziest of the Gargolian यानी Armenian tribe के बड़े craziest member माने जाते. And similar ये माना जाता था मुराद भी अपनी न्यू जनरेशन का एक craziest person था. Why? क्योंकि मुराद से भी कोई भी बात बोलो ना तो हमेशा कहता था वो, you know, I have a way, means I have an understanding. ठीक है, horse के बारे में I have an understanding with the horse, I have an understanding with the dogs, और इस तरह से. अंकल खुसरो का तो एक ही डायलॉग रहता था, पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, इट इज नो हार्म. अब इसमें ये भी बताया गया है कि वंस, यू नो, अंकल खुसरो वाज एट द बार्बर शॉप. हु इज अ बार्बर? हु इज अ बार्बर?
मैम वो
हेयर कटिंग का,
कटिंग ऑफ द हेयर बियर्ड्स है ना, जिसको हम हिंदी में नाई कहते हैं. सो वंस ही वाज सिटिंग देयर बेटा, और क्या हुआ कि his house it caught fire. Okay, अब क्या हुआ बेटा, यू नो, बेचारा भागता हुआ आया एंड उसने इंफॉर्मेशन दी. तो बाबा कहता है भाई सर, योर हाउस, यू नो, इट इज ऑन फायर, राइट? नहीं, पहले बोला योर सन हैज कम एंड दिस. तो वो जोर से कहता है मे पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, ओके, इट इज नो हार्म. फिर वो कहता है उसको, बार बार उसको कहता है कि सर योर हाउस इज ऑन फायर. तो इतना मतलब सन की होता है, he doesn't want to listen to anybody, और जोर से चिल्ला के कहता है pay no attention to it, it is no harm. मतलब अपनी क्रेजीनेस में ये भी नहीं देखता है कि क्या नुकसान हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, बस उसको किसी का नहीं सुनना होता है. ओके, तो उसको भी क्रेजी माना गया और मुराद को ही माना गया कि वो उनका डिसेंडेंट है, नॉट थ्रू द ब्लड, है ना, ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है, लेकिन जो ये क्वालिटीज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स थी ना उसके अंदर, है ना, उससे ये माना जाता था कि वो भी उन्हीं का एक डिसेंडेंट है, उन्हीं का एक वंशज है. Why? Because even he was crazy like Uncle Khusro. When you'll do the chapter na in detail, you'll find it really humorous. Okay, बहुत humorous है chapter, अच्छा chapter है, right? And it is all about two children and how did Aram, you know, he took stealing as a, ठीक है, Aram को लगा था अरे ये कोई चोरी थोड़ी ना है, we did not rob any money, और फिर ये भी चोरी नहीं है, we just took the horse. Why? Because we have a passion for horse driving, हमारे अंदर passion है, and after riding we are going to return. तो ये चोरी थोड़ी ना, it will be robbery, है ना. थाइवरी या स्टीलिंग कब होगी? once we sell it in the market and we get money in return. तो इनोसेंसी बताई गई है बच्चों की कि बच्चे कितने इनोसेंट होते हैं ना, उन्हें लगता है अरे ये कोई चोरी वोरी नहीं है, ये तो हमने हमारी इच्छा पूरी करने के लिए हॉर्स वी हैव टेकन एंड वंस है ना our wishes, you know, our wish for a horse riding it is fulfilled, हमारी ये longing fulfill हो जाएगी, हम उसको वापस बांध दियाएंगे। चोरी तो जब होगी जब हम इस हॉर्स को बेचें और पैसे लें। ठीक है, तो ये सब है चैप्टर में एंड वी विल बिगिन टुमारो। बेटर हैव द बुक्स विद, राइट बेटा?
Okay.
एनी अदर प्रॉब्लम? एनीबॉडी इज हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No,
No, ma'am.
सोनाली,
Yes, ma'am.
एनी प्रॉब्लम बेटा? किसी को कोई
No, ma'am.
दिक्कत है? ओके फाइन।
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow
yes,
you
ma'am.
just open the books and we'll begin. Okay, goodbye beta, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.